Right, guys, today's session is going to be about a live trading session. So, as you can see right here, I made a withdrawal today. Okay, so now we are on 149.12. Okay, and 149.12. In order for us to achieve our goal, which is 5% a day, we have to make 6.456. Okay, so the total balance have to be 156,576. Let's call it 157. Okay, so that being said, let's scroll through and let's look for our first entry. Okay, we got our first entry right here. Okay, let's double up over here and yeah, let's let it roll. So I feel like there will be a crossover right here, and the price pumped, had a little pullback, and now it's gonna pump back up again. Okay, so if that's the case, will be a trade in our favor. If not, it's gonna be a lost trade. Okay, so now we just gotta wait and see what's going to happen. Okay, so at the moment, price is hovering between where we started. Okay, so buyers just have to step in, push the price up so we can secure this trade. Okay, if not, it's gonna be a loss. So if we win this one, we're gonna make 191. Okay, or 42 bucks profit, 42 cents profit. Okay, I wish it was 42 bucks. Okay, but let's see how it goes. We got 25 seconds to go. Hopefully it's going to be a profitable one. Remember, once we finish this session, we have to make 157. I mean, our balance has to be 157. Okay, so we got 10 seconds. Seems like it's going to be in our favor. 5 seconds. Ooh, ooh, boom. Okay, we made our first trade. Let's flick for the next one. Okay, guys, so this is the second trade of the day, right? So we had a dump, and now feels like the price is gonna pump back up again. So hopefully we'll have a continuation to the upside, and from there we're gonna make a profit on this one again. And yeah, so hopefully this one is gonna be another profitable one. So let's wait and see what's gonna happen. All right, so we got 1 minute to go. So far, so good. Price is pumping, so we are happy. So keep it that way. So we got 50 seconds to go. Keep it that way so we can secure this win. And if you make bank on this one, you're gonna make 95 cents. Okay. Remember the target is 157. Let's call it 157. Okay. So let's go. So we got 30 seconds. And seems like this one. Maybe I shouldn't speak that early. But seems like it's gonna be a profitable one. Let me put this back. And 10 seconds. And this is gonna be the second trade right there. Boom. Okay. So let's flick through. Let's find our third trade. Okay, guys, so this might be our third trade of the day. So we can see it's in a downtrend. He crossed the 100 EMA. Okay, so even though MACD hasn't crossed yet, I believe that it's gonna do a lower low. So we can see a lower low, a low here, a lower low right here, and feels like this one is gonna be the third lower low, but we haven't had the cross yet. That's why I haven't take the trade yet. So I'm just waiting to see what's gonna happen. But I feel like price eventually will go lower than this one right here. Okay, so now I'm just waiting and see what's gonna happen. Okay, so hopefully um, price will go our way, will go down, and from there we're gonna take a lower position, and we're gonna try to score on this one. Okay. But on the other hand, seems like buyers trying to step in and try to push the price up because as you can see right here, this pump right here has more candles than this one. This one has 3, 2, 1, 2, and this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. Okay, but he lost the momentum there. And then since then, 6 candles, and none of them managed to break this high right here. Okay, so that shows that he's losing momentum. But in the other hand, we haven't seen the crossover yet, so he might range a little bit, and then from there, it will either explode to the upside or to the downside. So now it's just a waiting game. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause the video, and then as soon as something happens, I will continue and let you know what's up. Okay, decided to take the trade because feels like momentum is gone. Okay, and then from here we'll start to go down. And this also decided to increase the time for 133 to 144. Just a little bit of extra time because price is not moving as much, so at least it will give it some time to do what it's supposed to do. Okay, so now we got 1 minute and 15 seconds. So if we win this one, we're gonna make 110, so we're gonna double up on over here, and let's hope that we can score on this trade, right? So let's gonna wait and see. So we got 1 minute to go, so let's wait. Okay, we got 25 seconds to go. Price hasn't moving much. Okay, so 20 seconds. So let's see if we can score at least one of these trades, right? So at the moment, both trades are green. Okay, so hopefully we'll stay that way, and we're gonna move to the next one. 3 seconds. Boom. Both trades are clear. So far we have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. Okay, 5 clean trades. So our target is 157. So we got $4 to go. Let's look for the next one. Okay, guys. So we might have a new potential trade right here. We can see that it's down, a downtrend. It pumped up a little bit, and now we're struggling to break this high right here. So feels like it's going to go down. I really believe that it's going to go down. It's going to break this lower low right here. And if that's the case, we're going to take a lower position on this one. And hopefully, we're going to make another profitable one. So we're going to go for 1 minute and 44 seconds. I'm going to take it right there. So let's see what's up. It's 2019. Okay, it's getting late. So probably this one is going to be my last trade. And even though I'm not going to make those 5%, I'm gonna call it a day, right? Because it's getting late. I'm hungry, so that's enough. Okay. Um, Trade decided to change, so let's see what's up. Even though the MACD hasn't crossed, okay. Probably I took this trade too fast, right? So let's wait and see. We're either gonna lose. I'm not gonna double up on this one. This is my very last trade. So I either win or lose and call it a day. Even though I haven't reached my 157, I'm still in profits from 149. Okay. So yeah, 149.12 to 151.59. So that's $2 and something. So yeah. So we got 38 seconds to go. So let's see if price will go in our favor. So we can score this one and go home happy. Doesn't seem like it's going to be in our favor. So 20 seconds, 19 seconds. There is a big chance. There is a chance that the price might go in our favor. We've got 10 seconds. Probably we need a little bit more time. So it's not going to happen now. 5 seconds. It's not going to happen. So yeah, I'm going to call it a day, even though I lost this one. So I've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. Okay, lost on the last one. And yeah, so that was half an hour trading session. So yeah, seems like this one's gonna have a continuation to the upside, and but yeah, it's gonna range a little bit because price is hovering around this level right here, and yeah, it's not doing much. So that was a rushed entry because clearly on the MACD we don't see any what do you call it, cross Okay, but I was like, okay, price is doing reds, 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 and I thought the next one would be red. So I rushed into it. Okay, so I shouldn't rush because there was no crossover here, so there was no indication, right? But yeah, lesson learned. So we lost that one. So we gotta wrap it up and move on. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.